Running an Amazon business means constantly monitoring your products for critical changes. FeedbackWhiz Alerts is your early warning system. It protects you from things like hijackers, losing the buy box, listing changes, and review issues so you can quickly respond when it matters most. The Alerts tool monitors your products 24/7 and notifies you when critical events occur. FeedbackWhiz will notify you straight away instead of you finding out days or weeks after these things have already impacted your listings. To set up an alert, let's head over to Alert Settings to create your custom alerts. Your main alerts dashboard shows all active alerts with their current status. You can see which alerts need attention, track progress on resolving issues, and add internal notes to keep your team coordinated. So let's create a hijack alert, one of the most valuable protections for your business. In Alert Settings, click Create New Alert and select Hijacker. Choose which products to monitor. You can select specific ASINs by creating a product list within List Management, or monitor your entire product catalog. Set up notification preferences, email, Slack channel, or both. Once saved, your alert is active and monitoring. If a new seller appears on your listing, you'll receive a notification with details about the hijacker, allowing you to take swift action with your listings. When alerts trigger, you can update their progress status from new to in progress to resolved, and add notes about the actions you've taken. This can help you keep your entire team informed and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. FeedbackWhiz Alerts makes you less reactive and more proactive when it comes to protecting your listings. Instead of discovering issues after they've hurt your business, you're alerted the moment they occur, ensuring that you can protect your listings. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to learn more about Seller 365 products, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.